So it is really, really early. It is not even 8 o'clock yet. So I came into work because I have a meeting this morning. So my hair, I swear to God, it was straight when I left the house. So remember, I always tell you guys, oh, my hair wants to be curly. This is not frizz, people. Please stop calling it frizzy. Please stop calling it frizzed out. Your hair is not frizzing out. Your hair is drawing the moisture from the air and putting it in your hair, and your hair gets fluffy. So that's what's happening right now. The reason why you hate it is because people have called it frizzy, people have called it unkept, all that other stuff. But actually, what your hair, this is signs that your hair is healthy, that it's drawing in the moisture from the air, which is pretty cool because when my hair has gel in it, it has my like curl cream in it, when it has that stuff in it, it doesn't absorb moisture in the air as much as when my hair is straight. Yes, is there part of me that's like, oh my god, I flat ironed my hair for it to stay straight I should have took a picture and I said I was gonna take a picture. So I'm gonna tell you what to do with it. You understand? So I'm gonna take my beautiful scrunchie and I'm just going to put it, take the glasses off, and I'm going to put it. If your hair is like mine, you're like, I don't know what to do with it when it gets like this. Okay. Like, I did not schedule a blowout for it to be blown out like this. So that's why it looks uneven. It doesn't look like, because it wasn't supposed to be hairstyle. It was supposed to be over here and it was supposed to be straight. So I knew it wasn't going to work, but I wanted to test the theory. So, test every theory, people. So I am going to put it up like so and get it off my neck, because if your hair is like mine, when it's down like that and you didn't plan on it and the heat hits it, it gets extremely hot. So I leave a little in the front. Gotta do it again because I didn't do it right. I leave a little in the front, right? I take my hands like this, like a scooping motion, and I pull it up. Pull it up. I have been not putting my dreads in my head. Do I say I'm never going to do it? Absolutely not. I'm not saying that because it's easy, and sometimes I don't want to do my actual hair. I want to give my hair a break. See, I don't like my bun this low. It's not. I'm not a. If you know from my videos, I'm not a low bun. I'm not a low bun type of person. I just don't like the way it frames my face. It makes my face look flat. So I feel like I don't understand why my face looks flat. Not fat, but flat. Like it's no definition to it. It's because your ponytail is too low. Or if you have too much definition, you're like, this is weird. Ponytail is too high. So that is this. So we're going to do a tighter ponytail into a messy bun. Just because my hair got all the moisture that I needed it to. And then someone complimented my edges the day before yesterday. I'm so excited because I had no edges between perming my hair and not perming, relaxing my hair, and because perm and relax is two different things. Relaxing my hair and dyeing it blonde and all this stuff. I haven't dyed my hair in a really long time either. So I just let it do what it does. So stay blessed. Deuces. I hope this helped. And we out.